All right, guys, so now we're going to talk about how to actually hit this heavy bag and how to do it safely and correctly. So first thing is first, you want to make sure you're at the correct distance. To check that distance, you're going to get in your fighting stance and you extend out your jab hand, which is the lead hand. If your hand is touching and I'm in a good distance, we're good. If Henry were a little further back and he has to lean forward to touch the bag, he's too far away. On the opposite side, if he comes in, oh no, I'll just come closer. So if he's close to the bag and look, he's got a bend in his elbow, he's too close. We want to be at correct distance where my arm is extended, I'm touching, that's how I know I'm good. Then you get into your rhythm. And when you punch the heavy bag, we don't want you to push. So when you punch, it's not a pushing motion. We don't want that. We want a pop. So when you extend your hand and hit that bag, think as soon as my hand touches, I want to bring it back to my face right away. It looks like this. It's a snap. We want to whip the punch, not push the punch. The last thing we want to talk about is control with the bag and movement with the bag. So when you hit the heavy bag, it's going to move. Number one is you want to learn to control your movement with the bag. I can come in and out with it. So I can move in and punch, or I can move out and punch. Go ahead, Henry. He's working the distance and moving with the bag. So there's times where we want to do that. And there's also times when maybe the bag is swinging way too much. One thing we don't ever want you to do is do that. Don't ever do that. We want to control the bag. So if it's swinging a lot, we just need to time it. I need to hit the bag when it's at its furthest away and coming in, I got to catch it right in the center. And that's going to stop the swing every time. It looks like this. Now the bag is still. So you have to catch that bag. We work on timing and movement. So always focus on being at the correct distance with your bag, making sure you snap your punch, not push your punch, and learning to stop it if it's swinging too much. You're going to have some good boxing.